Hello viewers, welcome to the Fast Profits Daily. Myself Brijesh Bhatia. I have been receiving many queries about the sector which I have recommended at the start of the year, indicating that the sector of the 2021 will be metals. And we have seen metals in last 9 months nearly doubling from the lower levels. So what one should do? Is this end to a bullish trend or a pause to the ongoing momentum? Well, I believe it is an pause, and I will show you why I'm saying so that it is a pause. So, if you haven't watched my video of 1st January where I indicated the sector of the 2021 will be metals, do watch it. There is a link in the description, and you can watch that why I have recommended the metals as a sector for 2021. So let's jump on to the first chart over here, which is the copper chart, COMEX copper chart. So if you look at the chart over here, COMEX copper has been resisting around 4.65 $4.7 mark again now. And if you look at the momentum, the same highs were made in 2011 where the commodities was having a bullish momentum or bull run. And again, as we say into the technicals, that history repeats itself, and price on charts are not to be forgotten. There is always a scar on the price action if you look at the historical charts. So again, the same level of 4.65 4.7 is playing as a resistance for COMEX copper over here, and from there we have again seen a slight dip into the copper prices. If you remember, our thesis was that copper will rally in 2021, and metals will continue to rally, being it aluminum, zinc or lead, and again the metal index into the India will rally. But if you look at the copper is slightly resisting over here. But even if you look at the previous supports, which were there at around $4 mark, is holding a strong, and bulls are managing to hold those levels. So till 4 is held, or around 3.9 level is held on the COMEX copper, I believe that the bullish momentum would continue. And again, this is a weekly chart, so I'm taking a slightly longer term trend over here. Any break about 4.8 $4.85 mark on copper could be a resumption in the bullish momentum into the copper prices. Second chart, if you look at here, this is again CNX metal, which is Nifty metal index weekly chart. Now if you look at the rally right from around 2018 where it started taking a lower level, and till 2020 it was going down and down. The bottom which in 2020, and if I just take a 161.8% of 2018 to 2020 fall, the resistance is around 5800 levels, and we have seen similar highs. Prices are back towards 5500 now on the index, and it has been slightly consolidating. The positive or for bulls something is here, that if you look at the previous highs which were somewhere around 4200, uh, it has taken surpass with a stronger momentum, and now the consolidation is going on. So I believe, yes, this is just a pause to this ongoing bullish trend into the metal space, and one should continue to hold into the longer term trend of the copper. I believe till 4800 4750 levels is not breached onto the CNX metal index, this bullish trend will continue, and I foresee probably around much higher level coming into the CNX metal index in next 6 to 12 months. So in case you are holding on to our long positions into the metal space, which we have at the start of the 2021 I highlighted, continue to hold on. Any break above 4.85 $4.9 mark on the COMEX copper, if you see, add up to your pyramid the stocks which are then into the metal space like Tata Steel, Hindalco, or whatever you think that JSW Steel which is going stronger. Depending upon the momentum at that point of time, you can add up your or pyramid up your positions at that point. In case you miss this rally, You can even add, you can look for fresh entries above the COMEX copper price of 4.85, $4.9, or probably even if you look at the 6,000 mark onto the CNX metal index or Nifty metal index, that could be again a breakout level. So that was just an update on what were the queries which we are getting about the metal indices, and I believe you should not miss the next leg of bullish momentum coming in the metals whenever these breakouts happen. So signing off, Brijesh Bhatia, and do not forget to like the video in case you believe that these videos are helping out to make profits, and do comment how in case you think that some of the topics we should cover in our videos. Signing off, Brijesh Bhatia. Thank you.